What to know before getting braces: 8 tips to prepare you for braces. Getting braces is a significant step towards achieving a straighter and healthier smile. Here are 8 tips to help you prepare for braces and know what to expect. Consultation with an orthodontist. Schedule a consultation with an orthodontist to discuss your orthodontic needs. They will evaluate your teeth, bite, and jaw alignment, and recommend the most suitable treatment options. Treatment plan and timeline. Understand the proposed treatment plan and the estimated timeline for wearing braces. Ask your orthodontist about the expected duration of treatment, the types of braces available, and any other options that may be suitable for your case. Oral hygiene. Establish a solid oral hygiene routine before getting braces. Good oral hygiene is essential during orthodontic treatment to prevent tooth decay and gum problems. Brush your teeth thoroughly at least twice a day, floss daily, and consider using an antimicrobial mouthwash. Dietary adjustments. Be prepared to make some dietary adjustments. Certain foods can damage braces or cause discomfort. Avoid hard and sticky foods, such as popcorn, hard candy, chewing gum, and tough meats. Cut up foods like apples and carrots into smaller, more manageable pieces. Discomfort and adjustment period. Understand that there will be an adjustment period after getting braces. Initially, you may experience some discomfort, soreness, or difficulty speaking and eating. This is normal and temporary. Over-the-counter pain relievers can help alleviate the discomfort. Orthodontic appointments. Be aware that regular orthodontic appointments will be necessary throughout your treatment. These appointments will involve adjustments to your braces, changing elastics or wires, and monitoring your progress. Plan your schedule accordingly to accommodate these appointments. Potential lifestyle changes. Braces may require certain lifestyle changes. For example, if you participate in contact sports, it's important to wear a mouthguard to protect your braces and teeth. Playing musical instruments may also require some adjustment. Financial considerations. Understand the cost of braces and inquire about your insurance coverage or any available payment plans. Orthodontic treatment can be a significant investment, so it's essential to be prepared financially. Remember, every orthodontic case is unique, so it's important to discuss any specific concerns or questions with your orthodontist. They will provide you with personalized guidance based on your individual needs and help you prepare for a